Yes. I
I
agree. I
also
agree.
do little walking around here in the subdivision at almost twice a week. 30
Oo.
minute walk. That's good. Not at
Oh,
least
okay.
to exercise my legs and
Yeah.
my body.
How about food? Well, what kind of food or diet are you having on a daily basis?
Okay. Whereas before I do eat a lot of rice and you know,
Oo.
but now I have to regulate my carbo intake because I'm
Yeah.
also having a sort of a uh, I just had an angioplasty in 2019, so I have to
Oh,
reduce on my food intake and
yeah.
choose the food that I have to lesser sweets and lesser
Yes.
other carbohydrates rich
Oo.
food.